In this video, we've got the smartphone open on an Android smartphone on the screen. I'm going to show you how you log in on the app. Click the app after installing it, and you ask for a username, a password and a server. As you can see here, I've already put in the username and the server. Let's just enter the password. You can check the password, it's the same, and press login. You can say not now to the Samsung password, that's specific to that operating system, and now you're ready to make a call. Let's just make a quick test call. Hello, CFone. And that's it, ready to go. You can now use the soft phone on your Android phone.